Diet stress? It's a thing. And it's not just the stress of being on a diet that's bad for your health. It's also the stress of feeling like you have to count calories or have to follow some other sort of diet plan that doesn't really work for you. You're tired of feeling like you're doing everything wrong, aren't we all? Well, I'm here to tell you this. There's no need. Because there is another way. A better way. And all you have to do is start reading this article and following its advice. Because there is another way. Hi, I am Mamo. Naya House Store LLP guides you to your goal. We choose best methods for you. Methods Naya House Store introduces are proven by people in the world. Click below to find out the best methods for you. Why your diet and having healthy body was failed. Because what you eat because your workout was no enough? No. You did not know the secret of your body and how to eat smart. The methods we introduced are not difficult to continue every day. You can eat smart to follow the methods, and you may have a slim body you want and healthy life. Again, you can achieve stress-free weight loss and get your healthy body. Click below to find out the best methods for you.